is one of the bigger ones that we've seen. It did a lot of damage to the house. People had to vacate. Stuff's all packed up and out. And we're gonna attack it. We got 2 cranes coming. We got a crew of 10 guys. And we have to basically bring this thing down safely without causing more damage to the house and get it out of here. So the way we're gonna do that is get everything that's going up and out first until we get to the 2 pieces that are penetrating into the house. And then we're gonna, at that point, reassess and come up with a magical plan to get that free of the house.